Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign documents using the Adobe Fill and Sign application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Adobe Fill and Sign application. And after you have uploaded your documents that you would like to sign, you just have to download them like this. And to add your signature, you just have to tap on this little pen tool on the bottom of the screen, where you can create a signature or create initials. And to create a signature, you just have to tap on create signature, which is going to open the signature creation tab, where you can either upload a signature if you already have it in your images. You can also use your camera to take a picture of your signature and upload that as a signature, or you can write it here if you have an Apple Pencil, or you can do it with your finger as well. Now I'm not going to sign it with my own name, but with the channel name. Let's say just ask me. And when your signature is done, you just have to tap on done, and as you can see, it appears on the paper, and you can place it wherever you want, where the signature places here. You can, as you can see, you can change the size of it and everything. So that's pretty much it. You just have to place it and tap on done, and the document is signed. As you can see, you can share it by tapping on the share icon, or you can export it in a PDF or Word format as you wish. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.